How to zoom in with Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can zoom in with Capcut. So make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Once you do that, open your Capcut application. Once you open your Capcut application, under the projects here you will see all the projects that I have initially edited. Choose any one of the video you want. Now once you are on this page, select the video. Beside the reverse button, you can see the keyframe option. Click on it. You can just add the keyframe button and now you can zoom the video as you wish. So this will zoom in the video. Now go to the beginning of the video and play it. Here you will see that the video is zoomed in. So that's all. In this way you can zoom in with Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.